So Google released the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro today at the Pixel 4 launch event, and these in my opinion feel like almost the perfect Pixel devices because everything that was wrong with last year's devices fixed. So first of all, let me talk to you about the specs of this phone. So inside this beast of a phone, we have the Google Tensor chip. This is an optical processor, and this brings machine learning, new technologies within the camera app, and the Titan M2 chip, which is the step over the Titan M in last year's phones. And Google claims that this is 80% faster than the previous Pixels, which may or may not be true. And another change that Tensor enables is enabling to bring the popular Pixel features to apps like Snapchat. For example, with Snapchat, you can now by default open the Snapchat camera with 2 taps at the back of your phone. And this is pretty cool in my opinion. This means that you can use Pixel exclusive devices with a Pixel on apps like Snapchat. And now one of the big highlights with the Pixel phones in general was the camera. And these cameras with the Google Pixel 6 are outstanding. And now because we finally have bigger sensors in the Google phones, which is great now, this means that supposedly according to Google that you will have 150% more light captured. Now Google has used the same sensor for its 12 megapixel camera since the Pixel 2. So this was due for an upgrade, and finally Google has listened to us and added a new sensor in. And with the 50 megapixel sensor on the back of this phone, you can get even more of what's around you, which I think would be an excellent benefit to the Google Pixel 6. Now, something that's pretty cool about this new phone is that you have something called Magic Eraser. Basically, what this is that you can use this tool to remove unwanted things in Google Photos. Now, I believe if we brought this to current Pixel phones from 2020, this seems like quite a graphic intensive task when it comes to processing, so I think it would be a little bit slow. So if they do move it to the Google phones like the Google Pixel 4a 5G, that'd be great because it seems more of a software thing. But we have it on the Pixel 6, and there's also another cool effect added to the Pixel 6, which is motion mode, which adds a really cool motion to your background, which is pretty neat. And now you can capture your faces without the blur. This is one of the problems I have had with my Pixel 4a 5G, so it's great to see that they fixed it with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro. Well, as a Pixel user for a long time, I personally think if you don't need that much, then the Pixel 6 starting at £599 isn't too bad at all. But the Pixel 6 Pro, however, starts at £849 with ultra features like 120Hz refresh rate instead of 90Hz and a telephoto camera. So that's too much of a big price jump for me, so if I were you, just go with the Pixel 6 and you'll get great results. As a Pixel user, I can definitely assure you that you will not regret it. So that is all you need to know about the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro, similarities and differences. If you did enjoy this video, check out my other video from yesterday, which is the Apple event coverage, and I'll see you tomorrow with coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. Bye bye.